make something.
G'day! So one of my viewers gave me a brilliant idea for supporting the outfeed table at the back. Bit of threaded rod, a couple of nuts at one end to support it onto the table, a couple of nuts at the other end with a flat plate to make it a foot so it doesn't sink into the dirt, and makes it all adjustable. So thanks for that, Tiger Tim. Good idea. Now let's implement it. First of all, I'm hoping that's all the tools that I'll need. Got a drill bit, Forstner bit, nuts, bolts for that one, nuts, bolts for that one, foot for that one, spanners, jeweler's instrument to smack it into the dirt. Right, hopefully that's everything. So first of all, I'm just going to use a Forstner bit to go enough to cover the bolt, so it's probably the head of that, and we'll put it about there. Hopefully that's deep enough. A bit deeper. Man, Forstner bits make a mess. I needed a socket. I know I've forgotten something now. Right. Right, now half that, because it's so long. Oh, okay. Oh, everything's in the way. Brain. Right. So I've got to put that on there. Which is pretty boring because you're not going to be able to see anything. So what I've got to do now is put the foot on. There's no point me filming that because you can't see it. There we go. That I can now adjust the height. So you can see my top holding bolts are flush and they're just driven into the ground, and the foot plate there, and I can adjust it if it's not quite level, but I would suggest it's pretty level with the actual table. Whether the table is level or not is another story, but level with the table. So anyway, thanks for that, Tiger Tim. Great idea. The only hard part about doing that was climbing in and out of the back, and a few annoyances of things in the road, but other than that, very, very simple idea. Thanks again. Kia kaha, stay strong. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. don't forget to go and make something.